Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you some of the fixes for your instant pot stuck on preheat. So as you can see that currently I'm on Reddit, and this person is also asking the same question that their brand new instant pot pro never moves after preheat. So let's just find out what other people are actually saying about it, and if there are some of the troubleshooting methods that we can use. So this person is saying I let it run for 30 minutes and it never moved past preheat. The pressure pin will pop up with minimal pressure, but it takes longer to get the cooking pressure. Same with the stove top pressure cookers. I suspect it needed more time. I wonder how much more time I tried to make a butter chicken and sauce ended up burning, and it never moved past preheat. It sounds like either there is a lack of good seal or a lack of moisture necessary to build up steam. My advice is to do the water test. You need to put 3 cups of water in the pot and start a short pressure cook on high. If it doesn't get a seal in 45 minutes, I would say you're gonna need to look at replacing your silicone ring most likely. So you just have to simply scroll down and try to find some of the solution that these people are actually giving you. Mine is not a pro, but I had a similar issue when I first got time. The problem was I didn't have the little black steam release thingy, the thing that releases them throughout the cooking pressure pushed down all the way, so it was not sealing properly, acted the same way as yours. So here this person is thanking for the help. So this person contacted support and they sent the new one to this person. So you can also try to contact with your brand's customer service, and you can ask them that you are facing this type of problem, and they can also help you for this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.